Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to play Spotify while playing Roblox. Let's get started. First, open Spotify on your computer. You can use the desktop app and Microsoft Store version or even Spotify web. Log in and choose any playlist or song you want to listen to. Next, we need to make sure your music keeps playing even when Roblox is running. If you're using a desktop app, it already plays in the background automatically. If you're on a web version, just make sure the tab stays open. It won't pause when you switch apps. Now open Roblox and join any game. If the music in game is too loud, press exit and go to settings and turn volume down or set music to 0. This lets you enjoy your Spotify playlist without Roblox sound drowning it out. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.